Gavanas kokalo riwruoge ywak ne piny owacho kod od bura mamalo magiwacho ni ok ng'igi gi wang' maber kendo dwa keto negi nyong'ong' ahinya e tijegi magiwacho ni mano ok ni kare. Jalup jakom riwruog Gavanas Mutahi Kahiga owacho ni nono tijegi kod od buche mag County Assemblies kod Senate ka apisa mamoko ma piny owacho ok non malich kamano. Ka giloso Naivasha e romo mar siro chenro mar dongruok mar kor gwenge, Kahiga noywak ni telo mar kaunti simedo mana thiro. Maeri omedo ni timore gi chwalo negi omenda magiwacho ni nyaka gisechi eka ichwalo negi omenda matayo tijegi e counties ka giywago wach mar golo omenda mana ndalo matin tiloro ik omenda gino mamono gi chwalo makare chenro mag dongruok.
Like there is some tendency to think that county governments don't work. There is no other officer in this country who is more oversighted than a governor. A governor is oversighted at the county assembly level, then oversighted at the Senate. So who oversights the rest of these other officers? The president should be essentially being oversighted by parliament, but your guess is as good as mine. They are in bed together. That's the truth. So even as we focus and try to push around the devolution and try to demonize governors, it is important to know that we are the most oversighted officers in this country who have to go through double oversight. Here is the Senate, here is the County Assembly, and yet you are still talking of only 15%.
The disbursement schedule as we sit here has not been released to the Treasury by the Senate. By the time those monies hit the accounts, it will just be days to the end of the financial year, not months. Yet that will be counted, or it will be factored as one of the conditions of being able to qualify for some of the funding.